Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press the subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. So let's get started. I am so excited because the Glam bag has arrived from IPSY. And this is where I tell everybody to start. When everyone asks me, what are the boxes that you would recommend? I said, if you see it on my channel, then I'm recommending it. But if you want to know where to start, I always tell you to start with this bag. To me, this is the best way because it gets you into that realm that if you enjoy getting a subscription every single month. With this one, it's $13 a month. It's free ship in the USA. It always comes with a cosmetic bag that is not included in the count of 5 products. They say it's supposed to be 5 deluxe sample sizes, but a lot of times they throw in a couple of full sizes, which I got a few this month, which I'll share with you. And then you still also get to choose one item. So it's always, to me, a win-win. And then you have access to everything IPSY, all of their sales. And there's so many of them, plus their shopper, that every day there's something new going on there, and their mystery bags. IPSY is really one of the pioneers of subscription bags, and I am so excited when the Glam bag arrives because that's where I tell everybody to start. Okay. They also put in this bag, and the theme this month is perfect. It is called the Royal Treatment, and the bag this month is stunning, and it is so royal. It is that velvety type of material. It is in that jewel green, and I had the opportunity to share this with you already on my channel because I am very lucky that this channel has been selected to receive some PR packages. But as you know, I still get all of my bags because I don't want to give up any of my choices for my customization and the deals and the sales and things like that. So I end up, and it's really ironic because with all that I purchase and all that I get from IPSY in reference to that PR kit, I very rarely get a duplicate item. So it's still fantastic that I'm able to show you so many products on my channel so that you're able then to make some educated decisions when you're going to spend your dollars the same way that I am in all these fantastic sales. In the Glam bag, they usually have a card that has, and it still does, the items on the inside, and it also tells you what size your item is, as well as if it is a deluxe sample, how much the full size will be, which used to be what I used to do with all my research because I always wanted to know before I fell in love with the product how much the full size was going to cost me. Also, testing in the sample sizes, you learn to see if you really like the product so that if you're getting the plus or if you're seeing any of these sales, you then know that you should pick it in the full size when those options become available to you as well. So that's why I enjoy the sample sizes so much. I'm never sure if the card is going to have the information that I want, so I always do my own notes that have a little bit more information than what's on the card. So I'm going to put the card aside and I'm going to go through the notes that I have. So if you're not familiar with my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to and I take a picture for Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you're missing out because I do stories and I share stuff on there that I don't share on here simply because not everything needs a video. So on Instagram, my name there is True Wants with the number 2. And I really hope that you will choose to follow me there. And if you are following me there, please share it in the comments down below if your name is different on Instagram than in the comments section when you leave me comments here. Because a lot of times you guys share with me and I don't know that you're that same person that always communicates with me here and vice versa. So if you do, please share that in the comments down below as well. And in the comments section here, we share with each other. So if I have a product that I have not had the opportunity to use yet, but you have, please share your experience in the comments as well. All right, let's get started. So we're starting with my pick. And I have more brushes than I know what to do with, and I tell you this all the time. But when I have an opportunity to pick a brush when the other items are items that I already have either enjoyed or they're ones that I have no interest for at this time. I end up picking a brush if it's from a brand that I have not had the opportunity to get a brush from yet. And this is where this guy comes in. This is from this brand called Belle Argent. And when I fell in love with this brand, it was through their lip products that I got in the add-on section. And they were always full size. And they were these Art Deco type of, the packaging was over the top. And the product inside was as good as the outside packaging, because that doesn't always happen. And on here, this says it is the Secret Power Concealer Brush. When I heard that, I figured I have to give this a try. It is so beautiful and so soft. Let's read what I have written in here. It's called the Secret Power Concealer Brush. Like I said, this is my pick. This is considered full size, and this is a $16 value in a $13 bag. That's what I mean. The values alone, this bag is always any subscription, but this bag in particular. So I don't pay attention to the retails on anything because we're part of IPSY. We get access to a lot of products that we're not paying full retail prices for. So test products out because now you have access to them. So this is considered full size. This is the makeup brush. It says use this brush. It's made with high quality synthetic bristles with your favorite concealer to cover redness, breakouts, dark circles, and more. Make it your go-to for applying concealer. It's vegan and cruelty-free. And about the brand, it says inspired by the life in the arts, Belle en Argent says it pays homage to women on all sides of the stories being told through actors, writers, directors, photographers, and producers. The results, timeless products with rich pigments and camera-ready textures. And that's their packaging is just very much that retro, old school movie star, you know, that our parents pretty much grew up with. So really excited to now have this that I can try out another product of theirs. The next one is from this brand called Kosette, and this is a facial scrub. This brand I've tried their scalp scrub, but I have not tried their facial scrub. And this is their deluxe sample size. So the price on this, I'm not sure, but the full size of this is $28. Let me just double check if they tell you what, no, they just tell you the full size price. So this here is, this size is 30 Gs, and they're saying it is a face exfoliator. They're saying this treatment is infused with bamboo charcoal to help detox pores and tiny bits of mineral-rich sea salt to help buff away your dulling skin cells for smoother, brighter, and overall healthier skin. It's a gentle massage on your damp skin, paying extra attention to areas like your nose and your T-zone that need that extra exfoliation. They're saying it is all natural, cruelty-free, and vegan too. And Kosette, about the brand, it's infused the best of K-beauty with the classic French elements for the one-of-a-kind beauty products. So let's open this up and see what this is all about. It does have a safety seal that we're able to lift off. Yeah, okay. And that is what this looks like here. Let's put a little bit on the back of our hand to see how, you know, the exfoliation will feel. It has that charcoal type of color to it. Oh, and the particles are minute. I mean, it even feels finer than the littlest sand. And I'll see if I can get it up close to the camera and if you can even see the particles, how little they are. Really, it feels like sand. That is very, very exciting. Okay, the next one here that we have in our bag is from RealHer. And RealHer is another brand that I am enjoying so much. And I've had the opportunity to try a lot of their products, but when I got introduced to RealHer, a lot of it was through their lip products, and I fell in love with them. And so this, I'm so excited that others are gonna have the opportunity to try this too. This is another full-size product in a deluxe sample bag. This is a $13 value, and this, like I said, is full size. This is the lip liner in I Am Confident. And RealHer is a brand that the father, when he had a daughter, developed this line with all of these. Let me read to you. It's just such a fantastic story about this line. Anyways, this is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter. This is a deep nude liner that glides on super smooth like butter and stays put for hours without feathering or smudging. Trace the tip along your perimeter of your lips and then fill them in. It can be worn alone or layered under your lipstick or lip gloss. It's vegan and cruelty free. And here's about the brand. It says, now this is a feel-good brand that we can really get behind. RealHer is a gorgeous, high-quality line founded by a devoted father who was inspired by the birth of his beautiful daughter. And all his expressions are so fantastic. They're so empowering. And this one says, I am confident. So let's do a swatch here. Yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. That is the shade there. Really, really beautiful. And it glides on so beautifully. And it doesn't smudge and it doesn't go outside the lines. It's creamy enough, but not overly creamy. That is just going to have a life of its own. The next item in here is one that I've had in the past that I think I've added for myself in the add-on section, and I'm so happy to get it again. This is called Tarte Sugar Rush. This is a brand that is under the Tarte umbrella, and this is called the Cake Butter Whipped Body Butter. This is a deluxe sample. It says there is a body moisturizer. It's heavy on hydration, but light on feel. The fluffy triple whipped texture absorbs into your skin instantly, while the blend of the shea butter and the macadamia oil with the sweet almond oil helps deeply nourish, smooth, and firm. It says apply to freshly cleansed skin, giving it a little extra love on your dry spots like your legs and your knees and your elbows. It is dermatology tested, vegan, and cruelty free. And about the brand, it says Meet Sugar Rush. It is a fun-loving brand with a commitment to all cruelty-free cosmetics. And Tarte has been the one of the pioneers about that. So this one here, I think has a safety seal. Yeah, let me open this up because this will definitely not sit too long in my area, me knowing that it's there. So this is what it looks like, the opening there. We'll put a little bit on my hand here. So it is that type. It's not runny. It truly is like a body butter, but it's not that solid body butters that come in those little tubs. So this will be easy for you to take out and enjoy. And the scent of this, it's like a mixture between birthday cake and sweet candy. So if you like those sweet scents, this will be for you. And that's so for me. And especially after a bath or after a shower, when you put this on and that scent just lingers, it is so scrumptious. All right, and then the next item that we have is from YC Collection. And this is called the Light in the Dark Highlighter in Vintage. I feel like I have the scrub still on my hands. I apologize. So this one says this is a deluxe sample size. Oh, and just so you know, the full size of this would be $28 value. The full size of this would be a $16 value. And this is a highlighter. It's infused with ultra reflective micro fine gold pigments. It is a creamy powder that captures the light in all the right spots to instantly illuminate your favorite features. Sweep it onto the high points of your face with a makeup brush. They're saying it is 100% cruelty free. And about the YC Collection, they say they specialize in innovative, high quality cosmetics that incorporate the festive traditions and the rich colors of Puerto Rico. So that's exciting. All right, and this has a click to close it, which is really nice, and it has the window over here, and that is the beautiful design that's inside there. We'll do a little swirl on the back of our finger here, and then we'll just do it there. Yeah, it's gorgeous. There you go. And that is beautiful. Really pretty. And that's everything that I received in my $13 bag. So we got the bag, which is not part of the count. We got a full size brush from a brand that I've never had the opportunity to try their brushes, which is Belle Argent. We have another full size product from RealHer. We now have a face scrub from a brand that I enjoyed so much, their salt scrub from this brand. And then from Tarte's Sugar Rush line, this fantastic cake butter. And then finally, we have this gorgeous highlighter from the YC Collection. Like I said, this is one of my favorite bags, and it's one that I enjoy sharing with you guys on my channel. Please share in the comments down below if you get this bag and if you received any of the same products, or if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products. Please share it in the comments down below because I enjoy reading your thoughts. And then I always respond to anything. So if you leave me a comment and you do not hear back from me, it just means that your comment somehow got stopped by a filter that's on YouTube, which has been happening a lot. I do not have anything stopping any filters or anything for your comments to come through. So the only way you'll know is if I do not answer you, then you know your comment didn't come through. So please come back and try to leave a comment again, because that's my communication with you guys. So the comments are what I enjoy, because then it's not just me sitting in a room talking to a camera. It's me enjoying and learning from you guys as you're learning from me. Take care, everybody. Continue to stay well, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.